Hi guys, and welcome to Alice Coral Photography. Now today we've got a bit of a festive final photo shoot for you for the year. So we've got Hannah back with us as Miss Santa, and I thought I got to dress up too for this. So we've got a Christmas scene set up for you. It's a very simple one. We managed to get some fluff off of Amazon and a woodland backdrop, and very kindly we managed to get some props as well, such as a letterbox and a sledge. Now if you want to do this with kids or with family, we are only going to be using one light, so it'll be nice and simple for you. So we've got a 1 meter by 1 meter softbox, and it's just going to illuminate the whole area here for us. The fluff as well. If you don't want to buy it, get some old pillows, pull them apart. You can easily create fake snow, and it often gives the best effect. And Hannah's just going to do some poses with the sledge, and we're just going to have a bit of a fun photo shoot for you. I'm going to shoot at 200 of a second, f800 ISO. Now because of the angle of the light, I'm going to be shooting quite low, shooting the whole scene, and we're just going to capture some really nice festive photos for you. So we're just going to grab a few, and hopefully we can capture some really nice shots. Could I get you a little bit closer to the letterbox if that's all right? Perfect. And then yeah, if you want to bring the sledge over, feel free as well. So all we're doing is going to keep this light setup really simple, so you can easily do this in any studio or back home if you've got a home studio. You just need some little Christmas props, as mentioned, and you can just easily take a scene like this. Now what I will suggest is, if you do buy one of these backdrops, steam it first, because what you will end up finding is you will get creases, and it doesn't matter how you light it, the creases will appear. So you just want to get a little steamer, not an iron, because an iron will often melt it. You want to get one of those little steamers. I'll put a link to one for you, just to then get rid of the creases. A lot of this is just portable lighting gear, so we've got a adjustable bar going across. I've used an old backdrop roll to tape the backdrop to, and some stands here, and just one simple light illuminating the scene. And if you really want to get creative, you can put some snow overlays too. So should we grab a couple more just to finish off? No, all right. Cool. There we go. And then here we go, doing that. There we go, perfect. Cool, thank you guys, have a wonderful Christmas. Thank you so much for supporting us this year. Hannah, thank you so much for coming. Have a wonderful new year. I'll see you in 2025. Keep on liking and subscribing. It's been a massive help for us. Thank you so much for all your support this year, and I'll see you all in 2025. Thank you guys, bye.